Hello viewers, many users actually want to know whether they should buy any tablet right now or they should wait for the Holi sale. But before buying any tablet, you should know that the price of most of the tablets on Flipkart and Amazon is on the higher side. So you should not buy any tablet right now, but if you have urgency you can buy, and if you don't bother about the offers, you are free to buy any tablet. But I think that Holi sale will be great for those users who want to buy any tablet, any smartphone or any other gadgets at a discounted price with cashback on credit cards and also many discounts. In my previous videos I have mentioned the prices of most of the tablets. So before buying any tablet you should know the best price of each and every tablet. So do check out the older videos to know the best price of tablets so that you don't get before buy the fake sellers, or you should not buy the product at a higher price. If you want to buy any tablet under 20,000 rupees, in that case you can consider Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, MI Pad 6, Oneplus Pad Go, Poco Pad 5G, Redmi Pad Pro, Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, etc. Similarly, if your budget is 20 to 30,000 rupees, in that case you can buy OnePlus Pad at a price point of 23,000 for the 256 GB version, iPad 10th generation at 26 to 27,000 rupees, then MI Pad 7 128 GB at 25,000 rupees and 256 GB at around 28,000 rupees. And also you can get Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. The best price of this tablet is 23 to 26,000 rupees. During Big Billion Days sale, many people have bought Tab S9 FE Plus at a price point of 22,000 rupees. However, I don't think that you will get this tablet at 22,000 rupees in Holi sale, maybe 25 to 27,000. And in that price also you can buy Tab S9 FE Plus. If your budget is 30 to 40,000 rupees, in that case you can buy OnePlus Pad 2. 128 GB version will be priced at around 33,000 rupees, and for the 256 GB you have to pay around 35 to 36,000 rupees. Then also you can buy iPad 10th generation 256 GB version. The best price for the 256 GB version is around 35,000 to 36,000 rupees. And also if your luck is better, you can get Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 under 40,000 price bracket. That is also a great tablet with Snapdragon processor. But if your budget is above 40,000 rupees, in that case I will suggest you to buy iPad Air 5th generation 128 GB version. Actually the 64 GB Wi-Fi version will be available at around 42,000 rupees, but I don't think you should buy the 64 GB version. Rather you should go for 128 GB version. If you get the 128 GB version at around 45 to 46,000 rupees, you can definitely buy iPad Air M1 or 5th generation. So in the conclusion, you should better wait for the Holi sale before you buy any tablet. Now let me know in the comment section below which tablet you are going to buy in the Holi sale. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.